curly bracket 135 comma n equal to curly bracket 246, then m intersection n equal to question mark. Option first, curly bracket 1 2 3 4 5 6, second curly bracket 1 3 5 bracket close, third 5 and fourth 2 4 6. The given set no common element, therefore option C correct answer is 5. Second sub question, P is the set of all x such that x is an odd natural number x is greater than 1 and less than equal to 5. How to write this set in roster form? Answer, option first 1 3 5, second 1 2 3 4 5, third 1 3 and 4 3 5. Correct option is 3 comma 5, D. Number third, P equal to curly bracket 1 2 dash 10, what type of set P is? What type of set P is? The number of elements are countable, therefore the given set is finite set. Correct option is C, finite set. Number 4, M union N equal to curly bracket 1 2 3 4 5 6, and M equal to curly bracket 1 to 4, then which of the following represents set N? Then set N equal to question mark. First option 1 2 3, second 3 4 5 6, third 3 5 2 5 6 and 4 4 5 6. Correct option is B, 3 4 5 6. Three, 4, 5, 6. Find the union of n intersection. Find the union of set M and set N. We get 1 2 3 4 5 6. Therefore, set N equal to 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. Next, number 5th, if P is subset of M, if P is subset of M, which of the following set represent? Then P intersection P union M, question mark. First option equal to find all common elements in set P and P union M 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Therefore P intersection P union M equal to P. Correct option is A. Next, number 6. Which of the following sets are empty sets? Which of the following sets are empty sets? Option first, set of intersecting points of parallel lines, set of even prime numbers. Number third, month of an English calendar having less than 30 days. And fourth, P is a set of all x such that x belongs to I, x is greater than -1 and less than 1. Correct option is A, because two parallel lines do not intersect each other. Therefore, set of intersecting points of parallel line. Next, question number 7. Find the correct option for the given question. Sub-question first. Which of the following collection is a set? Which of the following collection is a set? Option first, color of the rainbow. Number second, tall trees in the school campus. Number third, rich people in the village. Number fourth, easy examples in the book. First is well-defined collection, and all three options are not well-defined collection. Therefore, colors of the rainbow is a set. Answer is option A. Colors of the rainbow. Number second, which of the following set represent N intersection W? Which of the following set represent N intersection W? Option first, A equal to curly bracket 1 2 3 dash. Second, curly bracket 0 1 2 3 dash. Third, 0 and 4 empty set. Correct option is A 1 2 3 dash. Next, sub-question third. P is the set of all x Indian. Then which one of following is said in listing form? Correct option, option D, INDA. First option I, N, D. Second I, N, D, A. Third I, N, D, I, A. And fourth N, D, A. Correct option is B, INDA. Elements cannot be repeated and elements separated by commas. Listing method चे रूल्स आहेत त्या नियमाप्रमाणे I, N, D, A लिस्टिंग मेथड ने लिहिता येतो. नेक्स्ट, इफ T इक्वल टू curly bracket 1 2 3 4 5 and M equal to curly bracket 3 4 7 8, then T union M equal to question mark. First option 1 2 3 4 5 7, second option 1 2 3 7 8, third option 1 2 3 4 5 7 8, and fourth option 3 4. Correct option is T union M means the set of all elements in set T and M 1 2 3 4 5 7 8. Option number C. Question number third. Out of 100 persons in a group, 72 persons speak English and 42 persons speak French. Each one out of 100 persons speak at least one language. Then how many speak only English? How many speak only French? How many of them speak English and French both? Let E be the set persons speak English. Solution: let E be the set persons speak English equal to 72, number of E equal to 72. Let F be the set persons speak French equal to 43. इंग्लिश बोलणारे 72 व्यक्ती आहेत म्हणून नंबर ऑफ ई इक्वल टू 72. फ्रेंच लँग्वेज बोलणारे 43 पर्सन्स आहेत म्हणून नंबर ऑफ एफ इक्वल टू 43. नंबर ऑफ ई युनियन एफ इक्वल टू 100 इज गिवन. Means the persons speak at least one language. number of F minus number of E intersection F. E union F is given 100 equal to number of E also given 72 plus 43 minus number of E intersection F. 100 equal to 115 minus number of E intersection F. Change the side. Number of E intersection F equal to 115 minus 100. Therefore, number of E intersection F equal to 15. Means 15 persons speak English and French. Therefore, 15 persons speak English and French. The persons speak only English. The persons speak only English language equal to number of E minus number of E intersection F. Equal to 72 minus 15 equal to 12 minus 5 7 6 minus 1. 57 persons speak only English. Next, find out the persons speak only French. The persons speak only French equal to number of F minus number of E intersection F equal to 43 minus 15 equal to 13 minus 5 8 3 minus 1 20. Therefore, 28 person speaks only French and 57 persons speak only English language. फक्त इंग्लिश बोलणारे व्यक्ती जे आहेत नंबर ऑफ ई मायनस नंबर ऑफ ई इंटरसेक्शन एफ 72 मायनस 15 57. फक्त फ्रेंच बोलणारे व्यक्ती 43 मायनस 15 इक्वल टू 28 and 15 persons speak both language English also French. Question number 4. trees were planted by Parth and 90 trees were planted by Pradnya on the occasion of tree plantation week. Out of these, 25 trees were planted by both of them together. How many trees were planted by Parth or Pradnya? एका वृक्षारोपण सप्ताहामध्ये प्रज्ञा 90 ट्रीज 90 रोपे लावते आणि पार्थ 70 रोपे लावतो. दोघे मिळून 25 ट्रीज वेर प्लांटेड. दोघे मिळून 25 रोपे लावतात. तर प्रज्ञा किंवा पार्थ यांनी किती रोपे लावली? Let number of trees planted by Parth equal to 70. Therefore, number of A equal to 70. Number of trees equal to 90. Therefore, number of B equal to 90. 25 trees were planted by both. 25 trees were planted by both of them together. Therefore, number of A intersection B equal to 25. Then find number of A union B. Number of A union B equal to question mark. Write down the formula. Finding the elements of the set. Number of A union B equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Put the values. 70 plus 90 minus 25. 160 minus 25 equal to 135. 70 plus 90, 160 minus 25, 135. Therefore, 135 trees were planted by Parth or Pradnya. Next, question number 6. If number of A equal to 20, comma number of B equal to 28, and number of A union B equal to 36, then number of A intersection B equal to question mark. Solution. Number of A equal to 20, comma number of B equal to 28, and number of A union B equal to 36. Then number of A intersection B equal to question mark. Write down the formula. Number of A union B equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Number of A union B is given 36 equal to number of A 20 plus number of B 28 minus number of A intersection B can be find out. 36 equal to 48, 20 plus 28 minus number of A intersection B. Change the side. Number of A intersection B in LHS equal to 48 minus 36 in RHS. Therefore, number of A intersection B equal to 12.